Hey guys, JP back here with RV Talk with JP. Today I'm standing in front of a toy. Wait a sec, this isn't a toy hauler. This is the brand new Outdoors 26 RPS. It looks like a toy hauler, but let me tell you guys, this is one of the best and craziest couples floor plans I have ever seen. Let's go check it out. Come on in here, let's check out this brand new floor plan by Outdoors. This is built on their toy hauler platform, but it is not a toy hauler. Check out the tall ceilings. In a couple's coach, you've got 9-foot ceilings in here. They do opposing slides, so you get this beautiful dance floor of a living space in here with a full dinette, recliners, and then the crazy part about this floor plan is you have a party deck on a couple's trailer. That is super cool. Of course, Outdoors puts tons of cabinetry in here. You've got so many places to put things, although you might need a step stool to get into these top ones here. The other thing Outdoors does, they always put real good quality, real wood cabinets in their units. And then new for last year, they started putting this huge 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator in here. Another thing that Outdoors has done, they listen to you, the customer. Everyone was talking about how dark it is in here. Well, they've lightened up these wall boards. They've made these white now, so it really makes for a lot of natural light in here. When you've got all these windows, the light just hits the white sidewalls and it looks really good in here. So let's check out the rest of the unit. Coming through here, you've got a ensuite bathroom. Lots of space in here. Porcelain toilet in a really good position here. You can have a seat here. You got lots of leg room. Your legs aren't hitting a cabinet. They're not hitting a door. You got so much room in here. And then coming into the bedroom, full-size queen bed. This is their titanium mattress. Even though this isn't a titanium that we're in right now, it's got the gel topper on it. We order all of our backcountries with this mattress. We also order them all with the Max Air package, so they all have Max Air fans with the power Max Air covers, so you can leave them open when it's raining. Of course, this is a backcountry, so it comes with the safe here as well. So many great features in here. Let's go take a look at some stuff outside and talk about the 4-season and off-road aspects of this trailer. All right, now let's touch on some really cool aspects of this Outdoors trailer on the outside of the unit. Because this is a backcountry, you're gonna get 40-pound propane tanks. These things are massive, and the reason that they put 40-pound propane tanks on this thing is you get a built-in 3,600 watt propane generator standard on the backcountry units. The other thing you get standard on the backcountries is a 4-battery tray. The molded front cap, you notice the seams wrap around the sides, so you don't have any seams running up the front of the unit. You also get this really nice, aesthetically pleasing kind of a bed liner material on the front rather than diamond plating. Now we're going to look at the storage compartment. Because you have the generator there, you don't get the full pass-through, but you get this amazing slide-out tray, so you can access everything that you're going to put into this storage compartment. All right, moving on. We didn't touch on the frame actually, so look at how beefy this frame is. This is an 8-inch steel frame, and it is really built to handle the weight of this unit, because this is a heavy unit. This is just under 10,000 pounds dry weight. Moving on, let's talk a little bit about the tires and axles. So you're going to get standard on the backcountries these Goodyear tires, and these are 16-inch Goodyear tires. You get the All-Trax MoRide 4000 suspension system. This allows each axle to move independently, and then you also get the KYB shocks on each tire as well. So this is really built for going down your kind of FSR roads or roads with lots of potholes, things like that. 2-inch insulated sidewalls. You get a full 2-inch block foam insulation in this thing. All the windows are going to be double pane. Coming around the back here, you can kind of see what the party deck looks like when it's closed. It also has a power awning, which I'll kind of show you in the video. And Yeah, man, this is a beautiful trailer. Like I said, I don't think I've seen another brand doing a floor plan, a couple's floor plan that looks like this. I've only seen this on toy haulers. So let me know if you guys would purchase this in the comments here, and I will drop a link in the description if you want to see this unit at O'Connor RV. All right, have a good day, guys.